Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So if we come to the Start menu in Windows 11 and head into our settings, and on the left hand side here you'll see personalization. And then we can go into backgrounds here for instance, and nowhere you can find anything to do with the taskbar to make it invisible and transparent. You can go into colours here and you can see transparency effect here. However, as you can see, it has very little effect on the taskbar. So what I recommend is coming out of the settings, heading to the Microsoft Store here. If you don't have it on your taskbar, you can search for it here within the search box. But I'll click on it here because I have it in my taskbar. And you want to search out for Lively Wallpaper. And the one you want here is the free one in the top left hand corner. And it's by Rox Danister. So we'll just press Get here. So now we have it installed, we can press Open here. Once you have Lively Wallpaper open, come to the settings here. And then you want System across the top. And here you'll see Taskbar Theme. And you can select Clear. And then your taskbar will be completely transparent. So that's how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.